A virtual network is a logically isolated segment of the Azure public network, which provides a secure and customizable networking environment. By default, virtual networks are completely isolated from one another, meaning traffic cannot flow between them. However, Azure allows you to connect virtual networks, whether within the same region or across different regions. There are fundamentally two types of connection type that you can use for the virtual network connection. They are virtual network peering and VPN gateway. Let's understand virtual network peering first. The diagram on the screen shows two virtual networks connected using virtual network peering. With virtual network peering, you can seamlessly link two virtual networks, which makes them function as one for connectivity purposes. Traffic flows privately over Microsoft backbone infrastructure using private IPs. This ensures low latency and high bandwidth without involving the public internet. This makes it ideal for cross-region data replication, database failover, or strict data security requirements. In the second diagram, you can see that two virtual networks are connected using VPN gateway. What is VPN gateway in this case? A VPN gateway is a specialized virtual network gateway that sends encrypted traffic over the public internet, either between virtual networks or from Azure to an on-premises network. While VPN gateways offer security through encryption, they come with higher latency and limited bandwidth. This makes them suitable for scenarios where encryption is necessary, but latency isn't a major concern. If you are using a VPN gateway for external connections, enabling Azure DDoS protection standard on your perimeter network is a good security practice. Let's understand the coexistence of peering and VPN gateway. The diagram on the screen shows how virtual network peering and VPN gateway can coexist in the network topology. When setting up Azure Hub and Spoke network, you don't always need a separate gateway for every virtual network. In Azure Hub and Spoke network topology, you can make use of gateway transit and remote gateway capabilities provided by the peering connection. And this capability can be enabled only when you have a VPN gateway running in the hub network. Gateway transit capability allows you to share a VPN or express route gateway from one virtual network with other peered virtual networks. Such setup eliminates the need to deploy multiple gateways. This is particularly useful as your workload grows and will help you reduce cost and simplify management while maintaining connectivity across regions and networks. By enabling gateway transit on virtual network peering, you can set up a transit virtual network that houses shared resources like a VPN gateway, network virtual appliances, and other common services. Instead of creating a separate gateway for each new virtual network, you can simply peer them to the transit network. This keeps your architecture clean, minimizes complexity, and reduces the overhead of managing multiple gateways while ensuring secure and efficient connectivity across your organization. When deciding between virtual network peering and VPN gateways for connecting Azure networks, you need to consider several factors. Let's understand those factors in this case. Virtual network peering allows you to create up to 500 peerings per virtual networks, while VPN gateways are limited to one per virtual network, with tunnel limits depending on the gateway SKUs. Peering follows a pay-as-you-go pricing model based on ingress and egress traffic, whereas VPN gateways charge hourly plus egress cost. If security is a priority, peering does not offer built-in encryption, but software-based encryption is recommended in that case. VPN gateways, however, support custom IPsec IKE policies for encrypting connections. Peering provides unlimited bandwidth and routes traffic privately through Microsoft backbone, which makes it ideal for high throughput scenarios like data replication and database failure. On the other hand, VPN gateways involve a public IP and come with bandwidth limitations, which makes them better suited for encrypted connection where latency isn't a concern. Peering is non-transitive, meaning if you need a hub and spoke design, you will need network virtual appliances or a gateway. Meanwhile, VPN gateways can support transitive networking if border gateway protocol is enabled. If speed is a concern, peering is nearly instant, while a VPN gateway setup takes around 30 minutes. Lastly, peering is best for data replication or failures from the use case perspective, whereas you make use of VPN gateway when you need end-to-end encryption. So when it comes to the connectivity, choosing the right option depends on whether you prioritize speed, security, bandwidth, or connectivity requirements for your workloads.